Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Talk. Today, we're diving deep into the Sony PlayStation 5 Pro, the powerhouse console that's making waves in the gaming world. Is it really worth the hype? Let's find out. The Sony PlayStation 5 Pro CPU is a powerful upgrade, featuring a custom AMD Ryzen processor built on Zen 3 architecture. With 8 cores and 16 threads, it delivers faster performance, supports 4K gaming at higher frame rates, and enhances ray tracing and AI-driven features. This CPU is designed to improve load times, multitasking, and integration with VR, making the PS5 Pro a cutting-edge gaming console. The new GPU is 67% larger and 45% faster than the standard PS5's GPU. This increased capacity allows for better graphics processing, making the Pro 45% faster overall. It also enables twice the rendering speed of the standard console. The new GPU is anticipated to handle ray tracing more effectively and support 8K resolution gaming. While 8K content is still in its early stages, this capability future-proofs the console for upcoming game titles and multimedia experiences. For 4K gaming, expect the PS5 Pro to offer higher frame rates, potentially up to 120 FPS, depending on the game. Alongside its graphical prowess, the PS5 Pro is rumored to provide enhanced support for PlayStation VR 2, ensuring a more immersive and responsive virtual reality experience. With the increased power comes the need for improved cooling. The PS5 Pro is likely to incorporate a more advanced cooling system, possibly with liquid metal thermal compound or additional cooling vents, ensuring that the console remains cool and quiet even under heavy load. While retaining the iconic look of the PS5, the Pro version might have slight design tweaks to accommodate the upgraded hardware. Expect a larger chassis or additional color options, although these details are still under wraps. In terms of connectivity, the PS5 Pro offers a variety of ports, including USB, HDMI, and Ethernet, ensuring that it fits seamlessly into any setup. The current PlayStation 5 comes with an 825GB SSD, which is designed for high-speed data transfer to enhance gaming performance. If a PlayStation 5 Pro is released in the future, it might feature an upgraded SSD with larger capacity and faster speeds, but this remains speculative until Sony provides official details. Upgraded RAM is anticipated, allowing for better multitasking, faster data processing, and smoother transitions between apps and games. Like the PS5, the Pro version is expected to support backward compatibility with PS4 and PS5 titles. This feature ensures that your existing game library benefits from the hardware improvements, offering enhanced graphics and performance for older games. Alongside backward compatibility, expect Sony to launch exclusive titles optimized for the PS5 Pro, leveraging its advanced hardware capabilities. Describe the DualSense Pro controller's improved haptic feedback, adaptive triggers, and comfortable design, enhancing the gaming experience with better ergonomics and longer battery life. The The PS5 Pro is anticipated to carry a higher price tag than the base PS5, reflecting its advanced hardware. While official pricing is yet to be announced, estimates suggest it could range between $599 and $699. The PS5 Pro is speculated to launch in late 2024 or early 2025, with an official announcement from Sony expected later this year. And in a conclusio, the PlayStation 5 Pro represents the next leap in console gaming, with enhancements that cater to the demands of hardcore gamers. From 8K resolution and ray tracing to VR advancements and faster load times, the PS5 Pro is designed to offer the ultimate gaming experience. Whether you're upgrading from a PS5 or entering the PlayStation ecosystem for the first time, the PS5 Pro is poised to set new standards in the gaming world. Thanks for watching Tech Talks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights. Wait for more videos.